This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a security system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, a folding rear seat, and a rear spoiler. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
County Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 105 Auto Park Drive in Graham.